Over the next 2 weeks, Gary and I will be slowly traveling up the Oregon coastline, eventually making our way to Portland for a short flight back to the Midwest. But we barely get started before we find a leak we can't figure out. So, we have a leak. Can you tell where it might be?
It's coming from the jack.
What?
I gotta see reseal the jacks.
Oh, man. Okay. Always something in a truck camper. Actually, it's always something in any camper.
Doesn't matter if it's a camper or a house, it's always something. Yeah, I gotta wait till it's somewhat dry.
Yeah. Gary and I have always been drawn to the water, from big lakes to small streams, and Gary's always drawn to anything with an engine. So when we found a campground right on the ocean, we didn't hesitate, especially with dry camping along the riverside. It gave us exactly what we wanted: fewer people, a cheaper site, and a perfect view of boats moving through the Cetco River. There's noisy little ones today. It was pretty this morning. Now it's just pretty rainy and windy. Oh, it's nasty. Oh, wish we could have stayed a little longer. But rain is the perfect weather to continue tracking down our leak issue. We just have to get to the next campground. Oh, yuck. Checking at 4. We'll just have to wait until we can get back to our leak investigation. But luckily, we have a beautiful beach to explore. So we have a short break in the rain and decided to go out and check out the beach here. And I forgot where I'm at. I'll have to go check. We're at Harris Beach State Park, and it is gorgeous here. It is absolutely beautiful, even though the weather is kind of meh. I think we're kind of at mid-tide. High five, Steve. A little bit. Perfect. We're still having a leak. We don't know where it's coming from. So this is part of us trying to figure it out. Gary, yesterday, took off all the base just so we could get a really good look at what's happening. We even put paper towels and stuff down there to see. It was raining last night. We didn't get anything. So still in diagnostic mode. Where do you have water coming from?
Right here. Out of this. See it right there?
No, but I trust you.
There's an edge right here.
Okay.
That's coming out of this groove thing here. So the only other thought I had was there gets to be a lot of water buildup at the backside of that sink. And I'm wondering if it's running down the wall.
Ooh, no, that's valid.
Pull this thing back in again.
Okay.
But how and where is the question. All right. Here's where the water is.
Oh boy.
It was gushing out here just a second ago.
If you don't like fixing stuff or get annoyed when things don't quite work the way you want, don't get a camper. Okay.
Well, it just depends because I don't see any water on the installation.
Yeah,
so
I don't see
it
any.
coming down from the kitchen sink might not be a value to look at it.
The paper towels are just to the right of the
Yeah.
LP tank. If I had water, I'd be pulling out crappy paper towels.
Yeah, you would.
I think I might have found something else.
Okay.
I found a bunch of water underneath here.
Oh.
I thought I sealed this up pretty good, but maybe I didn't because this screw here where I put this ground screw may be leaking there as well. Yeah, see, it's not wet up in there, just a little bit.
How are you going to seal it up?
I'm just gonna make a dam, kind of like they did up there. They took some Cetco and just put a ridge up there to keep the water from going backwards.
Yeah.
Up in here, just to kind of keep the water from going in and maybe down. So I don't know if it's coming from the screws, but we're gonna try and protect all that. So, and make sure that we ain't getting any water in there. After chasing that leak around, we figured it was time for a break and a walk through the tide pools.
Well, that's pretty too. It's like a secret entrance. This is honestly the coolest path I've ever been from a campground. A little bit of rock climbing. You feel so much more adventurous on this little hike. A little snail, anemone. Anemones are my favorite. Look at all the snail. Oh, those are the crabs. They're just crabbing. Oh, gonna get wet. This is the hermit crab superhighway right here. Oh, maybe, you know what they are? I bet that they're like little shrimp guys. Little like baby shrimp, maybe. But there's so much going on in this little tiny puddle. I hope you little guys get out. It is just an amazingly beautiful day. Unfortunately, our time here at Harris Beach State Park is coming to an end. We're going to be heading out this afternoon since we don't have to leave until 1 o'clock today. One challenge we're still having is verifying that water issue. So for now, we're going to leave the camper a little naked. We're going to make sure that what we think is the water problem is gone. Always fun in a camper. There's always something that breaks, but that's okay. We'll keep on going and we're gonna keep on fixing. While you watch this riveting video of me putting away my computer equipment, I wanted to say thank you for sticking around. We really appreciate you coming by. Yeah, I'm done with the internet. We do appreciate you coming by, so thank you. This is our smart garbage bag that's supposed to be able to kind of make little bags of fun here. I call it C3PU because for obvious reasons. I don't know if it works as well as I was hoping. We're doing this because we have a composting toilet and we're choosing not to put a lot of the toilet paper in there. I've been thinking of getting like one of those diaper genie things maybe, or maybe I just use the puppy bags. I don't know. If you have this problem or you have some ideas, let us know. I'm headed out. See if it dribbles. Looks pretty good to me. Well, it's about that time. Thanks for hanging around with us. If you could do us a favor and like or comment on this video, it really helps YouTube find other awesome people like yourselves. We hope to see you next week as we continue up the Oregon coast as we get ever closer into Canada and then Alaska. Until then, leave every place you visit a little better, and we'll see you on the next trail.